How to set up visual voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S25. First, you just need to go to phones. Now from here you'll find this three dot button. Simply tap on it. Now go to settings. From here you'll find voicemail option. If you go to voicemail, then if you find the visual voicemail, then you can just tap on it and you can set up your visual voicemail and the voicemail number also. But actually you can see that I don't have any option for visual voicemail. If you're facing this type of problem, then you have to know about one thing, that some carriers doesn't support visual voicemail. Actually visual voicemail vary on the carriers, the network provider or the carrier that you have. Then they might offer you or provide you any applications, or it will already already attached with the system as a visual voicemail option here. Then you can use simply the visual voicemail from here, and sometimes it provide some applications like this is my carrier application, but there is no visual voicemail. Actually you can see here, so you might need to contact with your customer service of your carrier or the network provider and ask about the visual voicemail if there is any additional steps to do to enable visual voicemail on your device using your carrier. So that's how you can just simply set up visual voicemail, or you can go with the third-party visual voicemail application that will help you to send visual voicemail through your device if there is no visual voicemail option available. So this one is a Verizon One Talk that will help you to properly send visual voicemail. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.